am back with another video, but before we get started, make sure to click that subscribe button down below so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. If you guys like this video, or if you want another video like this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below some video suggestions or which iPhone X hack you guys like the best. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first hack is how to change your screen color. So you're going to go to accessibility and you're going to click on accessibility shortcut and click on color filters or classic invert colors. And then whenever you go to your home screen, if you triple click the power off button, you can choose one of those. And if you choose color filters, it will make your screen black and white. Now the second hack is to create this like lock sound, and it's actually kind of satisfying. So go to sound and haptics and click on lock sound, and now whenever you refresh everything and you try to refresh it again, it will make like this sound, and it's actually satisfying. You can see it on the screen right now. Now the third hack is you go to accessibility and then click on assistive touch and turn that on, and then you can change what you want for a long press, single tap, or double tap. And I'm just making long press as Siri and single tap as home, and this will create like a home button. And this is actually a pretty cool hack because the iPhone X doesn't have a home button, but you can create one. Now the fourth hack is go to accessibility and turn on reachability. And what you can do is whenever you swipe down on the bottom of your screen, it will make it easier to reach. Now the fifth hack is a camera hack. As you can see, there's a zoom thing where you press and it will zoom in once or twice or whatever. But if you hold it down, then you can change how much you want to zoom. Now the sixth hack is, like whenever like you type a word wrong and like you want to go back and try to change a letter or something, but like it won't work. What you can do is you can just hold a letter down on the keyboard and you can just move your spacer around. Now the seventh hack is for the camera, and if you want to record in 4K at 60 frames per second, just go to the camera and you can change it on the settings. And usually whenever you first get the phone, it will only be at that, but you can change it to 4K. Now the eighth hack is you can swipe between apps by just bringing your finger down at the bottom of your screen, and this is pretty helpful, and you can just switch between apps really fast. Now the ninth hack is, you guys know Face ID, but what you might have not known is this thing called Animoji, where you can send emojis to your friends by what your facial expression looks like, and this is only on the iPhone X. Now the 10th hack is you can also send YouTube videos to your friends by clicking the YouTube icon whenever you're texting someone, and this is pretty cool because you guys can send my YouTube videos to your friends. Now the 11th hack is Face ID requires you to actually look at the screen whenever you want to unlock your phone, but you can change that and you can turn off the attention. Hope you guys liked that video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below some video suggestions or which iPhone X hack you guys like the best. Hope you guys have a great week, and thank you for watching. Bye!